Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you and also show you how you can easily change your Facebook cover art without publishing it. Before we start our video, friends, please don't forget to put your like, subscribe to the channel, and also, dear friends, be sure to write comments after watching. Well, let's be with you to get started. And first of all, open up the Facebook application, please. Now, right from the main Facebook page, you can click on your image on the top left to open your Facebook profile. Then, friends, please click on the top where you have your cover photo on this sign right here. Next, please select Upload Photo. Now select a photo from your gallery. Click at the top Ready. And you can now place this photo in a way that you feel more comfortable with. After that, friends, click Save. And you need to wait will be a few seconds for this cover image will be changed. Also, you can just swipe from top to bottom of your Facebook page to see such changes faster. Now if you swipe down, you can see that you have a post about changing your cover photo. So as you can see, it's not possible to change the photo without posting, but you can delete such a post right away. To do this, click on the three dots at the top. Then click Please Hide from your page. Confirm your action. And such a post, it will be hidden and will not be visible to anyone else, so your cover photo will be changed, but there will be no publication and notification about it. This is how you can change your Facebook cover photo without publishing. I really hope you found the video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to put a like, write comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you soon, friends.